If you're familiar with the humanistic studies, you know the problem. A single body of work might mention many people, many places, many events, and there can be a complex network of relationships between them. Here is just one example how artificial intelligence can make this process easier. It is created for non-technical people, but some basic technical knowledge is required. First, you need Python installed, a Trophic API key, and basic knowledge of command line interface. You also have to download the code from the repository. You can just download it as the zip archive if you don't use Git. Then open the project folder and create two new folders in it, input and output. Input folder will be used to store PDFs that we want to process, and output will contain the result of the processing. Next, create the environment file. Put your Trophic API key in it. And finally, in terminal, run this command. I'm not even trying to pronounce it. It will install all the packages that you need to successfully run Python code. For you, it will look a little bit different. I already have them installed. And finally, put the PDFs that you want to process into the input folder. And then just type this command into the terminal. And here we can see the files are being processed. This is sped up because it might take some time. We are sending the PDFs to the AI model, and we are using this prompt to control the output. As you can see, the prompt is very detailed. This is basically just the half of it. Okay, here is the rest. So the more information you provide into the prompt, the better results you will get. There is also a coded tool which helps us to keep the output data in the structure we want it to have. Okay, once the processing is done, you can open the output folder and you should see JSON files in it. If you open one file, you basically see the text file with a defined structure and data inside this structure. Okay, now open the visualizer tool and drag one JSON file into it, and you should see magic happening. So this is the result. Those are all the meaningful connections in this article. People, places, objects, etc. But let's see what happens if we add one more text. Now the relationship graph for both articles is loaded. And you can see there are some entities that appear in the both articles, but they are not connected here. And this is something we don't want to happen. We want to have them connected. To make this happen, you need to execute the other script, link Python. It takes all JSON files in output folder, connects them, and creates additional JSON file. So you take this JSON file and all the others from the articles and you drop them into the visualizer tool, and you can see properly connected network. And this gives you the overview of all the relationships between the various articles. Again, it's just a simple JSON file, text file, which checks all the variations for some entity and searches in which articles it appears, and then stores this information so it can connect them. And this is how it looks for the network based on 37 different articles about Constantinus Porphyrogenetus Work de Administrada Imperio. I think a network like this is pretty impressive. This is a nice illustration of the AI capabilities and how it can help people in humanities to use the data more efficiently. Yet this solution can be also more efficient regarding time to process the files, the financial costs, and also responsiveness of user interface. So this is also something that we will tackle in the next episodes. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think in the comments.